Hello everybody, welcome to day 3 of our calendar unboxings. I hope you enjoy. Okay, first up, number 7, 12 Days of Beauty, day 3. It's right here. That's day 5. Day 3 is right here. Let's see what we've got in here today. We have got a Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day Cream with sunscreen. Ooh, SPF 30. That's very good. I wear sunscreen almost every day. So, helps me keep this youthful skin. So, yeah. Let's see if it has a scent to it. Can't ever get these things off. There we go. It just smells like standard moisturizer. Works in really quickly and really nicely. So that's good. So that's day number 3 of number 7. So let's see what else we have. Day number 3 of this Revolution Makeup box. Let's just pick the next one in here. And it is... Oh, don't look. It is a brow palette, which is perfect because I have very natural eyebrows. They're very bushy. I don't like to, well, let's face it, I'm cheap. I don't like to go get them done. So this will be nice to try and control them a little bit. You don't even want to know how I trim my eyebrows. It's with kitchen scissors, like the big ones. So if I ever lose an eye, it'll be my own fault. So it looks like there's some nice shades for every hair color, so I'd probably use these 2 middle shades. So that is very nice. That'll come in handy. I won't try that on right now though because nobody wants to see that, I'm sure. All right. So next up, we have the 24-day Revolution Advent Calendar. Day 3. Where's day 3? Day 3 is right here. A little circle. So let us see what is inside here. Alright, let's see if we can get it open. Looks like a baked highlighter, probably. If it ever wants to come out, that would be even better. So, we've got a baked highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. So that is the color. It is very golden. Nice glow though. I'm very impressed with that. Next, we are doing day 3 of the NYX Love Lust Disco box. My husband is watching me on the other side of the table, so that's fun. So here's day 3. And it's a wee little baby. A wee little baby. Yes. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. It goes all the way down here. I'm such a liar. I lied to them, Jason. Ooh, what do we have?
Is it a brush?
No, it's not a brush. I think it's an eyeliner.
Well, that's fun.
I mean, it's fun if you know how to use eyeliners. So we've got a NYX Faux Blacks Inner Eyeliner. I'm not going to use that. I'm not even going to open that. I don't put eyeliner on my lower lid because I think it makes me look like I have tiny little eyes. Plus, I wouldn't be able to do it right. So, this is going to somebody who...
I think it's mostly because you wouldn't be able to do it right.
He thinks he's really funny. Nobody asked for your opinion, Shuckles.
Oh.
So, I'm going to give this to somebody else. A wine break. Yummy. Alright, last but not least, I think that's last but not least, the Glossybox, day 3. I love this box.
It's a fancy box.
Here's number 3. That's good. Oot. Go. It's a mid-size box. I'm sure it's going to be something for you. Oh, fantastic. All right, what do we got? What do you think it is? What do we got?
A box in a box.
Oh,
That's
we've
cheating.
got...
They got you all excited about the mid-sized box, and they had the small box inside the. It's sorry, talking too much.
I've got a perfume. I never got perfume. So it's Flower Bomb Eau de Parfum from B&R. Let's see. Ooh, look at how little that is. Look how cute. Okay, so you just like dab it on yourself. I can't really smell it.
I smell it.
Whew, that's floral. That's not bad. Oh, I have to. You have to go very lightly. Go very gently. The struggles are real. I can't get. Oh, there we go. So day number 3, perfume. Fancy. So I think so far I'm liking the Glossybox the best. NYX is in second, but they're also the most expensive boxes. And I am a champagne princess on a beer budget, so of course I would like that one better. So yeah, day 3, all done. Not really a lot of makeup, but that's okay. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you for watching. And let me know if you enjoyed the commentary from my lovely husband in the background. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.